Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Life Science with Nivedita. So this video is all about ACREC JRF 2022. Okay, so Tata Memorial Center, that is Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer, that is ACREC, will release the JRF notification in the duration of 2022. Okay, so if you are interested to do research in the cancer field, so this institute is really good. So you can apply for this JRF exam. Okay, so now we will move on to the advertisement which is released from TMC. Okay, so you can see over here Tata Memorial Center, that is Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer, that is ACREC. Okay, so this is located in the Mumbai. Okay, so now applications are invited in the prescribed format for online examination and the award of Junior Research Fellowship, that is JRF 2022 for PhD in Life Sciences at ACTREC. Okay, so the Tata Memorial Center, that is TMC, is an autonomous grade granting aid institution of the Department of Atomic Energy. So TMC is comprised of the Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer, that is ACTREC. Okay, so in the TMC, that is Tata Memorial Hospital, and ACTREC conducts a PhD program in life sciences which is affiliated to Homi Bhabha National Institute. Okay, so this is a deemed university under category A by MHRD. Okay, so then the ongoing research at ACTREC includes basic and translational research in cancer biology and specific research topics which is include the study of cell proliferation, cellular differentiation, apoptosis, metastasis, tumor immunology, molecular imaging, carcinogenesis, stem cell biology, biophysics, structural biology, bioinformatics, proteomics, genomics, genetics, epigenetics, and also pharmacology. Okay, so these are the topics ongoing research at ACREC. Okay, so now move on to the qualification. So qualification to apply for this examination is MSc or MTech in Applied Biology, Biochemistry, Bioinformatics, Biophysics, Biotechnology, Botany, Life Sciences or Microbiology or Molecular Biology, Zoology or related biological sciences. Okay, and also veterinary science candidates can also apply, and MPharm candidates also can apply. Okay, so these two are from a recognized university with more than 55% aggregate marks. Okay, so those awaiting results may also apply, means the candidates who are in the final year of their masters can also apply. So as per HPNI guidelines, candidates with less than 55% aggregate marks cannot be considered for an interview or admission to the program. Okay, so candidates who have done post graduation course if of only 1 year duration are not eligible. If you are done your MSc or what masters in 1 year, you are not eligible. So the master degree should be in 2 years duration. Okay, so final admission into the PhD program is subject to the candidate satisfying HPNI eligibility criteria as mentioned above. Okay, so TMC reserves the right to increase the minimum eligibility criteria in case of receipt of large number of applications. So in some cases, if a large number of applications will be released, received, so this TMC will have right to increase the minimum eligibility criteria. Okay, so now move to the stipend. So that stipend is rupees 31,000. Okay, so plus 24% HRA per month. So HRA is applicable only in case if hostel facility is not opted. If you are opted for hostel facility, HRA is not given. If you are not opted for hostel facility, 24% HRA will be given. Okay, so limited hostel facilities available. We can say that is first come first serve. Okay, so now we will move on to the application process. Okay, all right, so you can see over here. So application procedure, candidates are advised to carefully read the instructions before filling the online application. At least this online application will be available in this website. Okay, so forms are submitted with incomplete information or without fees or requisite document attachment not done will be rejected. Okay, so application fees should be paid in online, and fees for fees for male candidates is 750 and fees for female candidates is 500, while SC or ST or OBC is there, so caste proof should be attached. Okay, so physically handicapped candidates with minimum 40% disability, they will include the disability proof must be attached, and those are fully exempted from paying fees. Okay, these physically handicapped candidates were fully expected from paying fees. They are not pay fees for this examination. Okay, so application fees paid online are not refundable. Okay, it is not refundable. The online application deadline is November 30, 2021. So before November 30, you have to apply for this examination. Okay, so now move to the online examination. So a list of candidates found eligible for the online objective entrance exam will be displayed in the last week of December. Okay, so after you are applying through the online application, they will release the list of candidates who are eligible for online entrance exam. That will be displayed in the last week of December 2021 on the ACREC website. Okay, on the ACTEC website, they will release the list of the candidates. The online exam will be conducted on January 8, 2022. Okay, so the online exam will be conducted on Jan 8, 2022 from 9 a.m. to 12. Okay, so in 10 examination centers, which is located in Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata, Delhi, Indore, Guwahati, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Varanasi, and Chennai. Okay, so when come to the Karnataka candidates, they were allotted for Bangalore. Okay, so center allotment details will be uploaded in the ACREC websites in the end of the December 2021. Okay, so students have to give 3 choices of exam center in the application. In case the number of students opting for a center is below 75, the students opting for the center will be accommodated at either their second or third choice of center. Means while you are filling the application form, they have given 3 opportunity. Means you have to opt 3 centers. So usually the first opted, okay, means the first preference center will be opted, will be given. If some case more students are apply for that center, there is a chances to opt for second preferred center. Okay, so eligible. Now move on to the eligibility for direct interview. So after the online, if you are means after this examination, if you are eligible through online exam, you are selected for interview. Okay, so now move on to the eligibility of direct interview. So online application for ACTEC JRF 2022 is mandatory. So before applying for this interview, this online application for ACTEC JRF is mandatory. So candidates holding valid JRF awarded after qualifying in a national level written entrance test conducted by CSIR, UGC or ICMR, DBT or other recognized agencies. Okay, so means if candidate will be awarded the JRF from CSIR, UGC, ICMR, DBT were exempted from this ACTEC JRF exam. Okay, so candidates who receive external fellowship intimation by May 15, 2022 must send their proof of the award by email. Okay, that is you have to send your email to this and to seek direct interview dates. Okay, so qualified joint entrance examination for biology and interdisciplinary license, that is JGE bills. Okay, that is if for JGE bills will conduct examination, right? So those candidates who are eligible for ACTEC PhD program will be shortlisted and displayed on the ACTEC website in due course of time. Okay, so there is a separate exam is there, that is TIFR JGE bills. So if the candidates who got eligible from this TIFR JGE bills, they will apply interview directly. Okay, for this ACTEC PhD program, they will eligible. Okay, so now move on to the JRF interview dates. All right. Okay, so JRF interview dates. The list of the candidates qualifying for interview based on ACTEC online exam results or eligible for direct interview will be displayed on website in February 2022. Okay, on February 2022, they will display the candidates who are selected for interview. Okay, and they will not release the marks and all. Okay, they just publish the names who are selected for interviews, and other candidates who are who are applying or who are written the examination, right? They are not released any kind of marks and all. Okay, so interviews of candidates who have cleared the ACTEC entrance test as well as those eligible for direct interview will be conducted at ACTEC in June 2022. Okay, so the exact dates will be displayed on the ACTEC website in May 2022. So the research projects are the list of JRF projects being offered to PhD students at ACTEC will be displayed on ACTEC website in June 2022. So now come the declaration of results. The list of successful candidates will be displayed on the ACTEC website. And one more thing I have to tell about this ACTEC examination, that is there is no negative marking. Okay, that is one plus point. So if you are interested, means if you are interested to do your research in cancer, then this institute is really good. Just apply for this examination, and if you are very passionate about cancer research, you'll definitely select and do a PhD in that institute. Okay, so I think this video is helpful. If you like this video, hit the like button and share maximum with your friends, and thank you so much for watching.